Hello everyone. Start off by taking the tie at the top, make a knot out of it, and then in the small loop that is present, put the eaglet through it as such. Now continue on and do the same, bring it a entire loop, and then bring the end of it through it once more. Keep doing this, and then in the bottom loop that is created, once again pull it through. Then pull it out through the side, and then pull it in once again. Continue to do this until you reach the end of it, and then pull it tight together, arrange it. Next, start off by taking one side of it, make a loop around the finger, go another round, and then continue to go rounds until you reach the middle section of it. After this, a loop should be there in the middle. Bring it around and then bring the end of it from the bottom to the top as such. Wrap it around once and then wrap it around the top and bring the edge through the center again once again. Now adjust the sides and this is what you should be left with. Next, take one of the sides and then start off by making a loop out of it, pull the end through, make it into a knot, however do not entirely pull it tight. Now go circle with it, continue on and then keep going through the root as such. That is the loop that is present in the center. As you go round and round, you should be making the circular shape. Once you are done, pull it right through the center from the top to the bottom and this is what you should be left with. Next, we'll start off by taking one of the sides, fold it over from the bottom to the top almost in half and then make a loop out of it. Pull the end through this loop and then continue on. Now you should be left with three sides. Begin to braid it as such. Now once you reach the end of it, make one loop out of it and pull the end through and tighten it all. Adjust it as need be. Next, start off by taking one of the sides, wrap it around something like a pencil and do this until you almost reach the end. After multiple circles, pull it out, then pull the end through the entire piece and then bring it to the bottom. Adjust the sides as such. Thank you for watching.